Welcome to today's class. In today's class, I want us to play with this. This is simultaneous linear equation. That's what we are going to look at. Simultaneous linear equation. So the first question we are going to look at is x plus y is equal to 7. X minus y is equal to 3. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. So when you come across something like this, what is the first thing you're supposed to do? We are going to use substitution method. We have substitution method and elimination method we are going to use, but in this first class, we are going to be using substitution method. Once we are done with substitution method, we can now come back to elimination method. So what is the first thing we are going to do here using substitution method? The first thing is that we are going to make x subject of the formula in equation 1. So make x subject of formula in equation 1. Equation 1 here is x plus y is equal to 7. This is equation 1. So for us to make x subject of formula, that means x will have to stand alone. So this is x is equal to 7. Plus y will now cross over to this side. This now becomes plus now becomes minus y. So what is the next thing we are going to do? We have made y x subject of the formula. So the next thing is that we are going to substitute x is equal to 7 minus y in equation 2. This is equation 2. We are going to substitute. Substitute here means replace. So in equation 2, which is x minus y is equal to 3. So wherever we have x in this equation 2, we are going to replace it with what? 7 minus y. That is very simple. That's what we are going to do. So in this case, this is x. We are to replace the x with 7 minus y. So this is 7 minus y. Then we continue here. Minus y is equal to 3. I believe you are following. Please pay attention. So the next thing is to solve this. 7 minus y will give us minus 2y equals to 3. So the next thing here is for us to collect like terms. So in collecting like terms, minus 2y is equals to 3. So 7 will now cross over to this other side. So 7 will now become minus 7. Don't forget, this is positive 7. When it crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative. So what is the next thing we are going to do? This is minus 2y is equal to 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Why is it so? Because the smaller number first before the bigger one. If it was 7 minus 3, the answer would have been positive 4. But since we're having smaller number before the bigger one, that is why the answer is negative. So the next thing here is to divide. For us to find y, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficients of y, which is what? We have here minus 2y equals to minus 4. So we divide here with minus 2, divide both sides with minus 2. Minus 2 cancel minus 2, minus cancel minus here. So what do we now have here? We now have y is equals to 4 all over 2. So 2 goes to itself 1, 2 goes into 4 many times 2. So y is equals to 2. You see that we have gotten our y now. The next thing we are going to look for is what? Is x. So what are we going to do? Substitute y is equals to 2 in any of the equation, but let's use equation 1. In any of the equation, let's use equation 1. Equation 1 here is x plus y equals to 7. So wherever we have y in this equation, we are going to remove the y and put what? 2. So this is x plus, where we have y, we replace it with what? 2 equals to 7. So what's the next thing? Collecting like terms. X now becomes 7. When positive 2 crosses the equality sign, now becomes minus 2. So x now becomes 7 minus 2, which is equals to 5. So therefore, our x is equals to 5, y is equals to 2. If you fix this in here, you see that you're going to get the answer. Let's check. X is 5. This is 5 plus y is 2. 5 plus 2 is equals to what? 7. 5 minus 2 is equals to what? 3, which gave us the correct answer. So this is a very simple thing. I want you to take time and play with that. See you in the next class, and goodbye.